So finally, Wipro, Cisco, and Naukri.com is doing biggest mass drive. In this video, I will tell you about how to take referral. Wipro is doing biggest hiring test engineer, and Cisco is also doing full stack software engineer. Entry level job is these. And in this video, direct test hiring and first source is doing a direct test hiring. So please watch till end. I will tell you for mass hiring, which is absolutely for freshers. So please don't miss these opportunities. But understand the criteria, because criteria, batches, degrees is not mentioned in these websites. So please watch till end and then you can apply. But first go and watch these videos. I don't know why, but नोटिफिकेशन गया नहीं है काफ़ी लोगों को, तो प्लीज़ जाके देख लो ये वीडियो. एब्सोल्युटली फॉर फ्रेशर्स हायरिंग एसोसिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोल इज देयर एंड इनोफाइड इज डूइंग मास हायरिंग. सो प्लीज़ go and watch this video also, because in this video I already told you 4 direct test hiring, which is biggest opportunity. Package up to 10 LPA, minimum package will be 5 to 10 LPA. please apply as soon as possible, because ये कभी भी ऑफ हो जाएंगे. लिमिटेड टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं. and share with other also, because I don't know why many people not get the notification. So please apply and share as well. Wipro is doing biggest hiring for test engineers, and Hyderabad location is there, but the main thing is requisition ID is written here, but I will tell you later. First understand the criteria, that what you will do. Like the purpose of this role is to prepare test case and perform testing of the product platform solution to be deployed at a client and ensure it's meet 100% quality. Means you have to do the test cases and prepare test cases, perform testing. So you must know about any testing tool. We will talk about what testing tool is required, because we have to read. So instrumental in understanding the what you will do in this organization, means in this role, all is written here. Just read this and add in your resume. Like user acceptance testing, put this domain in your resume and develop, and these line also please add in your resume. सी वेरी बेसिक एंड नॉर्मल वर्क यू विल डू. ठीक है, तो ये सब चीज़ें ऐड कर दो रेज्यूमे में एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. एंड प्लीज़ STLC भी कर देना, मीन्स सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्ट लाइफ साइकिल मेथड. and add model based testing in your resume, user acceptance testing. See, add this domain in your resume. Please read this responsibilities part and add as much as domain which is written here, because very easy and simple task is written here, like status, reporting a customer focus on ongoing basic with respect to testing and its execution. All is you need to be a good test engineer. If you know manual testing, automation testing, you can add in your resume to get shortlist. And first, don't apply manually, just click see apply now button is here, but don't apply manually. Just copy this quest ID and take referral, because if you take referral from career page of Wipro or any Capgemini, Cognizant, you will easily get to see the assessment mail, or maybe you will directly go into an interview. तो ये चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है कि take referral then apply manually. If you not get any referral, then apply manually. Come here and click on apply now. But take referral first. You have to update your resume, वरना वो तुम्हें नहीं देगा referral. क्योंकि अगर तुम्हें if you take referral and if you don't know about test engineer, so the employee will not give you referral. So you must know about test engineering, testing tools, testing knowledge you must have in your resume. Then only you will get it. Then you can easily get the referral. So please take referral, go and apply as soon as possible. See, the next biggest hiring is coming from Cisco. Cisco is doing full stack engineer, software engineer role, but the main thing is React and Java both is mandatory, because you do Java with backend, you do backend with Java and front end with React. So this is entry level job, but wait, you have to first understand that bachelor degree or master degree in computer science or engineering is eligible, and 0 to up to 2 year of experience is needed. Means 0 up to 2 year. ठीक है. And the main thing is you must all know about JavaScript, React.js, Redux, TypeScript, Java and Kotlin also, because you can see that you will do front end with Redux, JavaScript, TypeScript and back end with Java, Kotlin. Database any MongoDB, PostgreSQL, SQL, RDBMS. You must know about both. Any containerization, Docker, Kubernetes, API testing, जितना चीज़ें लिखी हुई ना, these are mandatory. Front end, back end, database, microservices, cloud, API development, testing and any agile methodology, like SDLC methodology like agile, Scrum, waterfall. These are mandatory domains which is written here, and these are responsibilities, not required field. Responsibilities main होती है required से ज़्यादा, because responsibilities means what you will do in this role. सो यू मस्ट नो अबाउट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ कि क्या काम होने वाला है, क्या डोमेन लिखे हैं, किस डोमेन पे काम होगा। दैट इज़ मैंडेटरी, बिकॉज जब भी तुम देखोगे कि रिक्वायर्ड फील्ड में इतनी चीज़ें नहीं लिखी होती है, लाइक यहाँ पर अगर तुम देखोगे तो मैं SDLC नहीं मिलेगा, बट इन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ यू हैव टू कोलैबोरेट एंड एजाइल मेथोडोलॉजी। तो ये चीज़ें ज़रूरी होती है रिक्वायर्ड फील्ड से ज़्यादा। सो प्लीज़ अप्लाई एज सून एज पॉसिबल एंड don't apply manually, but understand that the location is Bangalore and area of interest is engineer software currently in area, because entry level job is this, and you easily get to see the referral, because if you take referral and you will tell them that full stack engineer entry level job is there and I am 24 23 as well as 25 batch, you are also now graduate and you also come in 0 to up to 2 year of experience. So please take referral. If you take referral you will get to see the benefit definitely, but जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है referral लो, because this is limited time opportunity, कभी भी बंद हो जाएगी, you will not get to access this page. So please apply as soon as possible. Take referral, copy the job ID and send them and tell them I want referral and Cisco is doing fresher hiring, so please give me referral as soon as possible, and apply manually. If you not get any referral, click on apply. So the next biggest opportunity which is live coming from First Source company. First Source company is doing voice of excellence hiring challenge which will be closed on April 19, but already 2000 बहुत कम लोगों ने अप्लाई किया है, एंड यू विल पार्टिसिपेट इंडिविजुअली. सो राउंड 1 इज फ्रॉम 10 विच इज़ लाइव एंड डेट इज़ 20 April. So please apply and register and complete your exam as soon as possible, because your minimum qualification 10, 12th and graduation in any field. Fresh experience both are eligible. Minimum 1 year of experience in the BPO. So you can't say that you can't apply for this hiring, because the role is very easiest role. So please apply and you will get to see the price also. You can read. I don't waste time for reading this. You have to give your phone number, highest qualification, graduation degree. So please apply, submit your application, and maybe this is live 10th April 11 AM, which is round 1 is live and end date is 20th April. So please apply as soon as possible. First Source is very biggest company which I already told you. Another hiring for this company also, like you can scroll down and you will get to see the logo of First Source. So you can see that here I already told another role of First Source, but I am not getting the logo. So please apply for this hiring. This is biggest opportunity for you. Eligibility criteria is also I already told you, and price and about organization you can read from here, like so please apply as soon as possible. So the main opportunity is coming from applied material. So there is a role hiring for software engineer. So the role is software engineer. Your location will be Bangalore. Job ID is also written. You can take referral but apply manually as well. This is full-time opportunity, and you can see that key responsibilities. There is not more domain like IT domain is written here, because I mean IT domain is written like develop code and software documentation, troubleshooting, but not any programming language is written here. Just understand what I am saying, that add front-end technologies, back-end technologies, database, GitHub, SDLC, STLC, software development lifecycle, and a software testing lifecycle, agile, waterfall, any testing tool, and any project management tool like Jira, and any cloud platform. These are mandatory skills if you are going for a software engineer role. Otherwise you can't apply for this role. If you don't have these domain in your resume, please don't apply, because they will reject you easily. So please add these domain which I already told you if you are not applying. So please apply as soon as possible. Go and watch first 2 videos as soon as possible, क्योंकि बंद हो जाएगी तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो जाएगा. तो अप्लाई करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, व्हाट्सएप चैनल को ज्वाइन करो.